If you're running out of yarn as you're working and you don't want to sew in ends, here is another method to join your new yarn. Form an X with your yarn and bring the underneath yarn around and over. Now take the two yarn ends and pass the yarn around at one time and pass it around twice. So you see you have two loops here, and now you're going to bring those together and pull tightly and trim off the ends. And that knot should disappear in the work, so let's see. There you go. It's all tucked inside the stitch. So then you can just go ahead and continue to crochet. And that's how you join with a surgeon's knot.